Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this iconic silver, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle comes equipped with the trailer tow package as well as the Lariat Sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear view sensing as well as that nice backup camera right there. And moving to the side, we have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as that side view camera on both sides. We also have a grip running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. This vehicle also comes equipped with 20-inch 6-spoke dark alloy wheels, which provides a nice clean look to the vehicle. Moving to the front, we do have front view sensing as well, 2 tow hooks, a front view camera, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a tonneau cover, which keeps your goods nice and secure and dry. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, as well as if you don't need that 5th additional person, you can always pull this down for 2 cup holders and additional arm space. We do have black leathered perforated seats in the back, as well as some light gray stitching and brown accents. We do have plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice, brown leather accents on the door, 2 cup holders back here, 2 heated seats, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same black leathered perforated seats we saw in the back there. We also have the brown accents and gray stitching. We have tons of door space, as well as memory seating for up to 3 drivers, and that nice brown leathering. Your parking brakes right there. You have your pedal adjusters, your blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener. And taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 47.2 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have our toggle for our main menu up there, as well as our phone and media controls, volume and voice, and your cruise control right there. Looking at your main menu, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Now looking over here, you do have a leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible, providing with a lot of extra room, a nice little phone slot, a cup, 2 cup holders, and a nice little leather-wrapped center console here, which can also be folded out for a nice little workbench or some space for you where you put your food. Flipping this open, we do have plenty of storage, with this being able to move side to side or taken out completely, providing you with the USB and USB-C. Taking a look in here, we do have a fair bit of storage space, a wireless charging pad, a USB and a USB-C, and over here we have our 4-wheel drive capabilities, rear axle lock, your drive modes, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. For our drive modes, we do have normal, tow and haul, eco, and sport. And all the way to the right here, we do have slippery, deep sand and snow, and mud and ruts. And taking a look over here, we do have heated steering wheels and heated and cool seats, dual climate so you don't need to fight over the temperature. We have our 12-volt outlet there, 120-volt outlet. We have our media controls there, and looking at our main screen here, we do have our auto stop and auto start, our 360 view of the vehicle, our front and rear sensing hazards, as well as traction control. Now looking at our main screen, we have our audio, phone, navigation so you don't get lost, your fave apps such as messaging, email, towing, Wi-Fi hotspot is equipped, apps such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings such as vehicle, general, profiles, and so on and so forth, and features of the vehicle, such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. And looking over here, you can go through your off-road, navigation, paired phones, trip 1, fuel economy, and so on and so forth. And looking above my head, we do have our functions for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting, as well as our function for our rear view camera, or sorry, rear window opener, which is pretty neat. The stock number for this vehicle is KF40876, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.